Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming two essentials: a compatible Pokémon and game progress far enough to reach the relevant NPC or location. Once done, stock healing items and save. This prevents losing an earned TM. Make sure your team can handle wild encounters so you can move quickly. Then travel to the city or area tied to the TM. Don't dawdle. From here you'll trigger the middle sequence that actually grants Thunderbolt, so get there and keep your save intact. Now you perform the core steps that produce the TM. First, complete the story encounter or battle that opens the building or chest. This often involves beating a Team Galactic admin or solving a short puzzle. Then interact with the specific NPC or examine the exact tile where the TM is placed. Inspect every corner and re-enter rooms if needed. Once the game recognizes completion, the TM will be added to your bag. Save immediately after receiving it to secure progress. Finally, teach Thunderbolt through the TM menu. Pick the move, confirm, and override a move slot if necessary. Do it deliberately. If your chosen Pokémon cannot learn it, pick another compatible partner or plan to use a move relearner post-game. If the TM did not appear, reload your pre-event save and repeat the triggering sequence carefully. Often one missed dialogue or chest interaction blocks the item. That one troubleshooting tip: always save.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.